Welcome. Today, we are going to see how to cancel your Shopify subscription. To get started, head to your Shopify admin page, click on My Store in the top right corner of your screen. Then select Manage Account. Next, click on the security option on the left side of your screen. Scroll down until you see Authentication Method, and make sure it's turned off. Check to see if your account is active on any other device. If it is, you will see a list of devices. Make sure to log out of them. Return to your home page and click on the Setting button in the bottom corner of your device. Then click on Apps and Sales Channels. If you have any application installed on your Shopify store, be sure to uninstall them to avoid being charged after deactivating your subscription. To uninstall an app, simply click on it and select Uninstall. Finally, go back to the setting and click on the Plan option. If you have a subscribed account, you will see a page with option. To cancel your subscription, click on the Deactivate Store button. You will be given 3 options. Choose Deactivate to proceed. You will then be asked to provide a reason for deactivating. Select your reason from the drop-down menu or choose Other. Click on Deactivate Store to confirm. Your store will be successfully deactivated. Thank you.